Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete Alu Treasure Hunt Secret Gossip Quest in Heartopia. So first you need to head to the NPC Naughty and talk to him and receive the quest. And once the quest is unlocked, just go to Onsen Mountain near the Capybara Trough, like this. The area with the three giant capybara statue, like this, the Capybara Stonehenge. And then in here, this important part, just look around this area for a floating blue bubble. And in here you don't need to wait for a specific time, or you don't need to look for anything underwater. Just find the blue bubble and then just pop it, and after that you will get the star and moon earrings as a treasure that you find. And then after that, just return to Naughty to complete the quest and claim your rewards. And in here, sorry, I can't show the quest or the blue bubble in this video because I completed this quest a long time ago, so they no longer appear on my account. But you just need to go to this area, or precisely at the map is on here, this one, near the Onsen Mountain and near the Capybara Trough. And then after that, you will see the bubbles that floating on here, and then just pop it. And okay, that's it. How to complete the Alu Treasure in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.